Hi, Rob here with SkidSteerSolutions.com. I'm here with the Eterra skid sickles. This is the full-size version for compact track loaders and skid steer loaders. It comes in a 7 and a 9 foot, and I'm here with the mini walk behind, which comes in a 5 foot. Let's start with the full-size version. It comes in a 7 foot and a 9 foot. It has a planetary gearbox with an 8 cubic inch motor. It has a tilting angle cylinder here with a electric over hydraulic control valve. It can easily be adjusted and set to any kind of machine. So we've got plug and plays, electrical connectors for any kind of machine, 14 pin, 8 pin. We've got a single switch if you don't have anything at all, as well as Bobcat 7 pin. What's really cool about this is how this blade can angle. You can go 110 degrees in this direction so that you can get up and get those branches that overhang on roadways and hit the top of your pickup trucks, as well as you can lay it down 45 degrees. So you can go along roadsides, put it inside a ditch, and you can get all that brush and scrub that grows up along the sides of the roads up out of the ditch and onto the roadways. There's a lot of leverage against the sickle cutter when you're mowing because you've got a big machine here and you've got a long bar. Eterra thought of that in their design, and they feature a spring-loaded breakaway. What happens is if you hit a stationary device when you're mowing, say there's something in a ditch like a post or something, and you hit it and it can't be cut off, it'll actually kick the cutter back out of the way so that you don't damage any of the cutter mechanisms or the bars or anything. What you then do is you just back up, roll it forward, and it'll reset itself, and you're on your way. If you've worked in agriculture with sickles, you know that the sickle segments are often riveted on. Eterra realized that most of the people using this are construction kind of people. They don't really have a riveting tool to be able to do this. So every one of these sickle segments has actually got a 7/16" nut on it, so it can easily be changed out in the field. If you happen to damage one, you need to do a replacement. The guide bars feature a 2-inch opening. Anything that can fit into this opening will be sheared. The 7 foot and the 9 foot sickle each use a planetary gearbox and an 8 cubic inch motor. That makes it much more powerful for the larger machines that it's operated on. On the other hand, the smaller machines, the walk behind with the 5 foot sickle uses a pitman arm. It's simple to maintain. It can handle the smaller motors, which is a 3.5 or a 5 cubic inch motor. And one of the benefits of that is because there is no gearbox, you can run it underwater. Let's talk about controls. Both the 7 foot and the 9 foot skid sickle each feature a Rex Roth 2-way valve. What this does is it takes the primary controls and runs it to the mower head. So when you're just running hydraulics through it normally, the mower head's going to operate. You hit a button inside, operate the same controls, and now you'll be able to raise and lower the sickle bar to whatever angle you desire.